arborists, climbers, utility and municipal specialists, aerial lift specialists, anyone who needs ISA CEUs before the end of the year. I've got an exciting announcement about an upcoming chipper operator safety workshop being offered at Ditch Witch West in Phoenix, Arizona, December 5th from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Successfully completing this course will entitle you to earn a TCIA Chipper Operator Specialist Certificate that's good for 3 years. CTSP and ISA CEUs shown right here. Normally, this training can cost up to $375 per person, but for the first 15 people who register, it's completely free. Space is limited, so you gotta register now. Hosted by Ditch Witch West and presented by Morbark, this TCIA Tree Care Academy Chipper Operator Specialist course is designed to train tree care crews in hazards as well as accepted procedures for brush chipper operation and other safe practices. The course, which is built for crew members who often don't receive any formal training opportunities, will help increase productivity while keeping people safer out there on those job sites. We'll have giveaways and offer a light breakfast and lunches provided. The 5-hour workshop is available in both English and Spanish in Arizona. So again, cost is free for the first 15 people. Scan this code and register now. Can't wait to see you there. Thank you. That's an avocado tree, by the way. And the avocados get like massive. Oh, that's this. So good. See you there.